Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So I'm not sure if you are aware, but IFTTT, the service that was automizing everything on the internet basically, so they were able to publish Facebook posts to Twitter and the other way around, from YouTube to Facebook, and the possibilities using this service were almost infinite, and they were free, so they were a free service. However, recently they announced that they will change the way they work, and they introduced the Pro subscription. And in this video I want to talk about the Pro subscription pricing, because until 1st of November, today is 30th of November, so until the 1st of November they will have a price of their Pro subscription of only $1.99 per month, and afterwards, after the 1st of November, they will have the minimum price for the subscription of $3.99 per month. So today and tomorrow you can get it for $2, and afterwards you can get it for $4. So if you want to get IFTTT Pro for a cheaper price, you can go to this video description and check there for a link. You will find there a link which will allow you to get the IFTTT subscription for $1.99 only. So let me go ahead and show you how the IFTTT Pro offers and what does this offer. So this is the blog post from their site. I will link it also in this video description, where they describe what you will get if you purchase the Pro subscription of their service. So they offer enhanced services, and they offer unlimited applets, because as you might know, until now you had unlimited applets on IFTTT, but starting from now you will be limited to free applets, and also they will not run so often. So yeah, it is a bad news that they are not offering their services for free anymore, but instead they will have this subscription. So I already purchased the IFTTT subscription, and I jumped in the $1.99 price because I consider it really cheap. And yeah, in the future this might be more, and I'm not sure even how long will they keep the free $99 price. So until 1st of November they claim that it will be $1.99 per month, and for infinite, if you keep the subscription active, you will pay only $1.99 per month, and afterwards, if you subscribe afterwards, it will be at least $3.99 per month. So yeah, it can be even more expensive. So this is the Pro landing page. This is where they advertise the Pro version. So unlimited applet creation, multi-step applets with queries, conditional logic and multiple actions, faster execution, and customer support. And here in the free plan you will have only 3 applets of your own, and you can turn on unlimited applets, but you can only have 3 of your own. Okay, so yeah, this is everything for this video. So go ahead guys and explore IFTTT, and if you want to continue using it at its full potential, then I strongly recommend that you get a Pro subscription today or tomorrow, because afterwards it will be a bit more expensive. So go ahead guys, get it now for $1.99 because it's a great deal. So here are some examples: tweet my Instagram video, post your Instagram videos to Twitter, and there are many applets that you can use. So yeah, this is IFTTT. So yeah, thank you for watching this video until the end. Please note that you can check links in this video description. Until next time, have a nice day. Please subscribe to this channel, it is really appreciated. Bye bye.